Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Titan app for crypto tax and portfolio insights. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Go to the official Titan app website. Look for the download section on the home page. Choose the version of the Titan app suitable for your operating system. If you are using Windows, click on the Windows version download link. For Mac users, select the Mac version download link. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the Titan app on your device. Choose your preferred installation location if prompted. Wait for the installation to complete. After installation, locate the Titan app icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Double-click the Titan app icon to launch it. Upon opening, create a new account by selecting the Sign Up option. Enter your email address and choose a strong password. Check your email for a verification message from Titan. Click the verification link provided in that email. Return to the Titan app to log in with your verified email and password. Once logged in, you will be prompted to set up your crypto portfolio. Add your cryptocurrencies by selecting the relevant options. Input the quantity of each cryptocurrency you hold. Titan app will automatically calculate your portfolio's value. Next, navigate to the tax section within the app. Fill in the required information regarding your crypto transactions. The app will generate the tax reports based on your data. Regularly update your portfolio and transaction details for accurate insights. Explore additional features within the Titan app to optimize your crypto management. Now you are ready to utilize the Titan app for your crypto tax and portfolio insights. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.